Hi, my name is Gerard Labuskachny and I'm a clinical psychologist. Have you ever wanted to do criminal justice expert witness work but were afraid to do so? Or maybe you've done it and you found it wasn't a very pleasant experience. Or maybe you've been doing it for a while but you'd really just like to perhaps improve your ability to convey your expert evidence in court. Or you maybe wanted to know, what do I do if I'm a therapist and I get a subpoena to come and appear in court? Should I go? Shouldn't I go? And of course, what can I do? Then this was the workshop for you, because we're going to cover everything from what to do when you're approached to actually be an expert witness, whether it's from a lawyer or from someone else. We're going to look at the assessment process. In other words, from interviewing people to collateral information to the use of psychometric tests, the pros and cons. We're going to also look at how does one write reports, the types of requests that you might get from anything from a bail application report to a sentencing report if someone is being convicted. We're also, most importantly, going to cover how do I actually testify in court? What do I call a judge versus a magistrate? Who do I speak to when I give my answers in a courtroom? And how do I behave in general in a courtroom scenario? And who is doing what? That'll put you in a better position to understand what's going on. What this course is not going to focus on is things like civil litigation. We're not going to focus on things like custody evaluations, third-party claims, and other types of civil claims. We're purely going to be focusing on the psychologist or mental health expert appearing in the criminal courts of South Africa. So whether you are a psychologist, industrial, clinical, counseling, educational psychologist, a criminologist, a social worker, psychiatrist, you'll definitely get something out of this workshop, because a lot of the principles that we'll be talking about are relevant to any expert witness, not just psychologists. So who am I? Well, I'm a clinical psychologist and I've been doing pretty much forensic work for the past 22 years. I'm an admitted advocate of the High Court. I'm a trained homicide investigator by the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department. I'm a certified threat manager from the United States Association of Threat Assessment Professionals. And I'm also a professor in the Department of Forensic Medicine since 2013 at Wits University. I also spent 14 and a half years as the head of the South African Police Service's Investigative Psychology Unit, where I spent a lot of time in the criminal courts testifying myself. I testified over 110 times in high courts and magistrates courts. But a lot of my job was also advising prosecutors on how to actually cross-examine defense expert witnesses. So come and learn from the mistakes that I've made over the years, and of course the mistakes I've noticed other people make over the years when they're testifying in court. So the Psycholegal Courtwork in the Criminal Justice System course is 8 CPD points in total, 6 are general and 2 are ethics points. So if you're interested, please email me at the email address below and I will send the information about the course. I hope to see you there. You'll definitely learn a lot. Thank you.